Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain to you about Meetsy. Meetsy is a simple and open source Calendly alternatives. It is a scheduling system and a meeting scheduler. In our app, we are going to use a sign in with Google for the reason of we are going to create the event in the user's Google account later, and also we are going to synchronize their event for the user to be able to see their event when they are creating the available times. I'm going to show you the address bar on top, which will show our client ID on top, and I'm going to demonstrate how Meetsy is going to use your data. I'm going to start off by signing with Google. In here, you can actually see what kind of service does Meetsy wants to have access to. So we are actually requesting for the Google accounts data to be able to view and edit the events in the user's Google account. The reason is because we are going to fetch all of the event, show it at the calendar, so that the user can make an informed decisions when they are blocking their available times. While the edit part means that after the inviter and the invitee has accepted the events, then we will create the events in the Google Calendar of both the inviter and the invitee. And then you can see that the second scope that we're requesting is to see and download any calendar, which means that we want to see your primary calendar mainly in Meetsy. And then the third, fourth, and the fifth one is basically your email and personal information that we use to identify yourself. After the user press continue, then they will be brought to the homepage of Meetsy, where then they can continue to create a meeting with their friends. You can see that in my Google account, I have a couple of testing events here. Obviously, I don't want to block unavailable times during that time. So let's say I will block 2 different times for me to meet up with my friends. Once I press next, then Meetsy will not create the event at your Google account yet until the invitee has accepted the event. So now you can continue forward and copy this link to share with any of your friends or any of your colleagues. Once you have opened it, then they will be able to select the available times that you have selected earlier. You can see that in this case, both the inviter and the invitee is myself because I am signed into the app. And then once you accepted the invite, then Meetsy will create the event in your Google Calendar. That is all.